All right, welcome back. Editing. We are going to talk about editing. A cut here and a cut there. Editing is taking the production material and telling the story. Some say the film is made in the editing room. It's more of a solo project, although with WeVideo you can team up and edit. I do not recommend that because usually your editor has, or your director has a vision, and the director and the editor, if they're the same person, need to be working the closest together. If you start throwing the cameraman in there, or God forbid, the actor, you're going to turn out with a different type of film. So, something to think about when you're editing is who's going to do the editing. And it helps to have them there for the filming, and it also helps them to be in communication with the director. Now, more than likely, you're doing all of this on your own. You're filming, you're directing, you're editing, you did the storyboarding. So you have a pretty good vision for what you want your film to turn out, how you want it to turn out. If you are looking for how to edit, that's not what this is going to be about. This is going to be more about the style of editing. So if you want to learn how to edit in WeVideo or whatever product you're using, I have made a huge collection of how-to videos in the Schoology group. Also, to get your WeVideo account, I put those videos in there, and you better have watched them. So I love editing. Editing is probably the most powerful person. The editor is probably the most powerful person in the room because they get to put their signatures all over the film. So we're going to talk about 9 different styles and 9 different cuts. The first one we're going to talk about is standard. Very simple. A standard cut or a hard cut means you just put the two together. You have one shot here and you have one shot here, and you just put them together. And it's the most simple style of editing. Just laying your shots, and audio and video are matching straight up. Clip A to clip B. That is a standard cut. The jump cut is a little more fun. A jump cut is a cut in the film editing in which a single continuous sequential shot of a subject is broken into 2 parts, with a piece of footage being removed in order to render the effect of jumping forward in time. This helps a lot with comedy. It helps a lot with action. So if you, and also keeping your audience attention. But if you have your talent just sitting there, and you can see in this example I've given you, and then they're throwing a fit or jumping up, just cutting straight to that part instead of them actually standing up. So that is a jump cut, and you can see right there it says a jump cut is a cut in film editing in which 2 similar shots of the same subject are taken from camera position that vary only slightly. Very valuable in action and comedy. J cut. A J cut is pretty cool, and I just learned this today. And if you look at the graphic, you have a J cut and you have an L cut, and they're named after the letter that they look like. A J cut is just the reverse of an L cut. The audio from the following scene plays over video from the preceding footage. So as you can see in the cut, the audio has started on the J cut for the footage, and on the L cut, it leans into the next footage of the audio. I'm pointing, like you can see what I'm pointing at right here and right here. So that would be the L cut. An L cut is when the audio from the preceding scene continues to play over the footage from the following scene. It's very powerful, and it kind of helps your film move along, whichever, if you use a J cut or an L cut. Um, it puts a little more emotion into the story, and using either music or sound effects and audio, it's a very powerful tool. Cutting on action. You're probably going to be doing a lot of this, and this has a lot to do with action films, and this is probably the style I use the most. Cutting on action or matching on action refers to film editing and video editing techniques where the editor cuts from one shot to another. A view that matches the first shot in action. The most common one you see on this is opening up a doorknob. You see the actor walking towards the camera, cut to hand, cut to doorknob, cut to open, cut to the person walking through the door. A lot in action. And again, this style helps from just one steady shot where you're not boring your audience to death. You're making them feel like they're there and that they can cover all aspects of your film. Cross-cutting. Cross-cutting's a little more difficult to do, but cross-cutting is editing technique most often used in films to establish action occurring at the same time and usually in the same place. So the example is from one of my favorite movies, The Untouchables, and there's a carriage falling down the stairs as a gunfight is going on. So they're bouncing back and forth. So you know they're happening at the same time, and it's just kind of at a rhythm that's really excellent. So this is something you might want to include if you're doing an action sequence inside of your film. Cross-cutting. The cutaway, another to me emotional pulling shot. A cutaway shot is the interruption of a continuous shot by inserting a shot of something else, usually then cutting it back to the first shot. This is where your B-roll will come into place. It also lets the audience member know more about the story, about where you're talking about or where you're at in the story. As far as are you next to a train track? If you hear a train in the background, or if you hear traffic, you could cut to the B-roll of the street as your scene is going through. So that is called the cutaway. Next, if you're a fan of the 80s, this is one of the 80s favorites go to, and that is the montage. The montage is a film editing technique in which a series of shots are shot in sequence to condense space, time, and information. Basically, it's like a music video. You just go through showing scene from scene, and it speeds up time. If it's like Rocky over here, and he's exercising, working out, running up the stairs, and just building up to the fight, you've covered 3 weeks in one montage. The last one we're going to talk about is a very powerful scene setting edit, and that is the match cut. The match cut is one method that directors use in editing to suggest a relationship between two different objects and to create a visual metaphor. It is cut within a scene that makes the scene more spatial. And in this scene, as he blows out the match, it goes straight to the desert with the sound effects and just a clean cut, and it's awesome. So this is something you don't want to use too much, but maybe once or twice in your film, and it's going to definitely strike a nerve with your audience. All right, again, if you are wanting how to edit, then refer to the Schoology group. If you need any help, please in the Schoology group send an update question, or in the comment section of this YouTube video, post a question and we will try and help you out. Peace.